All living organisms on Earth are divided into cells. Cells are the small compartments that hold the biological equipment necessary to keep an organism alive and successful. There are many types of cells, plant-like cells and animal-like cells. Cells are unique to each type of organism. If you look at a simple organism, you'll discover that they have no defined nucleus, and other cells that have hundreds of nuclei. So, let's talk about cell things. Cell membranes are the protective layers around a cell. They are selectively permeable and are often called the window screen. The cell wall is not found in animal cells. They are rigid structures found outside the cell membrane in plant cells. They support and protect the cell. A cell's nucleus directs the cell's activity and stores DNA. The nucleus acts as a control center for the cell. Cytoplasm surrounds the organelles. It's a gel-like substance that fills the cell between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Humans have hundreds of different cell types. Cells can be very different. There are basically compartments surrounded by some type of membrane. Now, let's talk about cell things. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells. They contain green pigment. This is where photosynthesis takes place. Mitochondria breaks down food in the cell. It releases energy for the cell to use. It is the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosomes are small structures that make protein. They can float freely in the cytoplasm or attach themselves to rough endoplasmic reticulum. The DNA molecule is packaged into thread-like structures called chromosomes. Each chromosome is made up of DNA tightly coiled many times. The endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for moving materials around in the cell. The Golgi body of the cell packages and transports cellular materials. It moves things within the cell or out of the cell. Lysosomes contain the digestive chemicals that help break down food, waste, and worn-out cell parts. Cells have sacs for temporary storage of food, water, and waste products that are called vacuoles. Vacuoles can be very large in plant cells. We talked about cell things. Thanks for watching. We're out!
This has been a Joseph Preston production.